tree is a data structure which stores information naturally in the hierarchical order. What do I mean hierarchical order? Imagine a family tree. Jane's parents and grandparent. Let's look at basic terms. A tree has nodes and edges. Every child node has only one parent node. Parent node can have 0 or many children. For example, node 16 has 2 child nodes. A node without children is called leaf node. Root is the topmost node of a tree. Height of a node is number of edges from the node to the deepest leaf. Height of 11 node is 2. Depth of a node is the number of edges from the root to the node. Depth of 11 is 1. Let's look at some graph if it is a tree. This is not a tree because 7 has more than one parent nodes. This is a tree. This is a tree. Types of tree. We will cover all the types of tree and its operations in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.